In this video, we will show you how to use SMS6ECI11E Dishwasher. We'll quickly break it down into 3 parts. We'll start off this video by looking at how to start your dishwasher. Then, we'll dive right into explaining all the programs and options. Last, we'll cover on how to load for the best cleaning results along with a few quick do's and don'ts. Before starting the dishwasher, put in a dishwasher tablet inside the dispenser. It's advised to pour in the rinse aid on the right dispenser for better drying results. Carefully pour in the rinse aid until it reaches the max level. You don't need to refill it every time once it's filled to the max, as it can last for several cycles. Turn on the dishwasher. The programs are on the left and options are on the right. Select your programs and any additional options if needed. Press start and close the dishwasher door. Now, let's dive deep into every programs and options on this dishwasher. Eco mode, 50 degrees Celsius. This gives you the most water and energy savings, making it perfect for everyday use. Auto mode. If you're not sure which program to choose, use this. It automatically adjusts the cycle based on how dirty your dishes are. Pro tip, don't pre-rinse your dishes. The dishwasher actually senses how dirty the dishes are to choose the best clean. If you rinse them first, it won't wash as thoroughly. Intensive mode, 70 degrees Celsius. This program is ideal for dishes with stubborn stains and heavy grease, like baking trays or a wok used for cooking curry. Express 65 degrees Celsius. Wash and dry in just 1 hour. Keep in mind this isn't recommended if your dishes are very dirty or have tough stains. Silence, 50 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect program for running at night. It takes a bit longer, but it's extremely quiet. Favorite. This lets you save your frequently used washing programs. To set it, simply select the program and options you want, then press and hold the button for 3 seconds to save your setting. Once you turn on the dishwasher, simply press the favorite button and it will automatically apply your saved option. You can also delay the washing time by up to 24 hours. After selecting your program and additional options, just press the delay start button until you reach your desired hour. Wi-Fi connection. You can download the Home Connect app and link it to your dishwasher to check the remaining wash time, or even see your estimated energy usage right from your phone. Efficient dry. This option automatically pops open the door at the end of the cycle to let steam escape, drying your dishes perfectly and saving energy. Half load option. Select this feature when you don't have many dirty dishes to clean. It saves you water, energy, and time. SpeedPerfect Plus. Shorten the running time up to 75% depending on the rinse program. Machine care. This cycle is used to clean your dishwasher using our machine cleaner. Watch the full video here to learn exactly how to maintain your dishwasher. Now, we will look into how to load your kitchenware. Both small and big plates can be placed in the bottom basket. Just ensure that the dirty side is facing inward toward the spray arm. To fit woks, pots, or saucepans, you can fold down the prongs to wash all your cookware at once. For wine glasses, safely secure them at an angle like this. Here's the extra clean zone. You can turn it on manually for intensive cleaning on heavily soiled dishes, all without increasing the temperature. Avoid loading them like this. Placing your bowls or plates this way prevents them from being washed properly, leaving food residue behind. Always make sure your bowls face downward and toward the spray arms so they can be thoroughly cleaned. Top rack won't push in. That's because your plates are too tall. You can easily adjust the height of the top basket to fit taller plates or larger cups. You can place your cutlery and utensil in this cutlery drawer. Pro tip, make sure items like spoons aren't nesting together, as this can block the water and affect the cleaning results. All food residue from the wash is trapped in this filter, so it needs regular cleaning. To remove it, just twist the top and pull down the microfilter. Squeeze the locking clips at the bottom. Rinse everything under running water and put it back into position. Just make sure the arrow markings align perfectly when you lock it back in. And that's it. Now you're ready to load your machine and choose the perfect program for every load. Click here to learn about how to handle your dishwasher maintenance.